Okay, here we go with another prep sequence series from the Red Dress. This is the belt. This is my first mistake on the belts. I tell you, a lot came back. A lot came back. Watch this. A lot came back. So yeah, I had to take that apart. But I eventually got it together. Made 3 of those. I gotta tell you, I did have fun making this. I have like 56 videos. I've combined some of them. But making videos and then editing them and then trying to sew is taxing. So right now, although I like watching myself because I feel like I'm actually doing something, I'm accomplishing something, I really would like to be sewing right now. So I have to, I'm doing these videos piecemeal because I really want to get started on the white bodycons. And I have to work on the website, get that up and running, so I'm like scatterbrained. Yesterday I was sitting here doing videos and working on the website, and I don't know, 8, 9 o'clock at night, I said, I need to eat. So yeah, that's where I am. Oh. I cannot wait to do these this next batch. I'm gonna try to start tonight. This is Thursday, August the 21st. So yeah, if I can start these, at least get them laid out and cut out. But I probably won't, to be perfectly honest, because knowing what I went through with this batch right here, it's gonna take at least another day to get just to get those started. So, but I'm gonna get them started though, and I should have them up and running inside of 2 weeks, which is a long time actually. I don't want it to take that long. I want it to take a week tops. Oop, I better keep this going because it's going to go off on me. It's been happening. Yep. This is only one belt though, because I did 3 belts. I know that for a fact. Or maybe that's the second belt. Okay, this is the 3rd belt, I guess. Okay, so maybe it's just sped up and it looks like it's only one belt. They're extra long. They go around the waist twice. I wanted them to go around 3 times, to be perfectly honest, but I only had so much of this type of fabric right here. I was literally thinking about mixing it with some of the red jersey fabric, but decided against that. I only have like a minute left. Oops.